Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today you guys, I am so excited because something came to my door today. I was caught by surprise, but this came to my door today and I didn't order anything from Amazon, and I recently bought a shelf for my kitchen. So I was thinking that either my niece or my daughter ordered it for me. Nobody ordered it for me. And then it just had my name, my address on it with no other person. So we're going to unbox it. And I was thinking maybe it's from my Amazon wish list, maybe. And I was like, oh my God, you guys really love me. So we are going to unbox it. I have a knife right here, so yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. But listen, before we get to unboxing, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please, you guys, make sure that you guys are subscribed. Click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down your favorite part of this video, and let me know what you guys would like to see from me next. Okay, so I don't know what I put on my Amazon wish list. I remember some things like mannequin heads, hair products for like videos and stuff like that. So I really don't remember everything that I put on there. I don't know what this can be, so we're just gonna see. Also, check out if you guys want to support my channel and help me put out better and greater videos, click the Amazon wish list. You guys can do the super thanks in the bar down below where the description and everything is. Also check out my Cash App. It will be linked down at the bottom. Whatever you guys donate to me goes back into my channel 100%. And I really appreciate if this is from my Amazon wish list. Like, you guys don't know what this means to me, because at the moment I can't afford anything for like extra for videos and everything like that. So this is like, oh my God, you guys, I'm gonna cry literally, because this is like, I feel like I deserve this for everything I put in over the years, but I don't deserve all the love you guys give me, like, for real. Okay, anyways, enough talking. Let's get into unboxing this thing. Okay, don't mind my shirt. I just got out the shower. My locks are wet. Okay. I'm so nervous. I don't want to cut it though. So I'm also going to open up my Amazon wish list, because if you guys don't like what's in my wish list, you guys can feel free to buy whatever you guys want to buy, if that makes sense. But I do like what's on my wish list because it's like all related to hair. Oh, I don't want to cut myself, y'all. Ow, I'm so nervous. Okay. Let's see. Oh my God. This is just a piece of paper, like rolled up paper. I guess like extra filling in it. Oh my God. Wait, hold on, what? I think there's a slip in here. Let's see. Oh my God. It doesn't say. It says send a thank you note. Enjoy your gift. I love your ASMR videos. They have helped me through a lot. Thank you for your content and posting. You are appreciated, from Tomatoes. Oh my God, like, I'm gonna cry. Thank you so much. Like, so much. Yeah, because a lot of times, like, I have hard times, like, posting, you know what I mean? Because it's like, I feel like I haven't been getting the recognition because, like I said, I've been a YouTuber for pretty much like 10 years. And I feel like it's now starting to come to life. So I really thank you for all that you guys do, all the love, the comments. Like, I love the comments. It's just that I'm a shy introvert, so I really don't know like what to say to everybody. Um, but I am gonna start commenting more on you guys' comments and leaving like really heartfelt thank you, because you guys don't have to sit and watch me. And it's a true blessing that you guys do. Oh my god, I didn't want to get emotional, but oh my god, thank you guys so much. Yeah, so this was this in here. Thank you, tomatoes, so much. You guys don't understand what this is gonna help in the future, like for videos and everything. Like I'm trying to put out better content for you guys. Um, making sure it's what you guys like to see. Oh my god, these are shear cutting scissors. Oh my god, thank you so much. And we was just talking about that because my niece wanted me to trim her hair and everything, and she's willing to be in a video and everything. So that is so freaking adorable. Oh my god, no, you did not. Oh, oh, there's more notes in here. I'm literally shaking. Like, literally. Oh my god, you guys can read it from this end because I can read it from the other end. I'm finna put out videos every day. What? What? Which way do I open this? It's like Christmas. Like, I don't pretty much get too many gifts and things like that. So this is such a blessing, like, for real. Oh my god, why am I so emotional? It's the little accessories for the mannequin head. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's unveil her, okay? Oh my god, thank you so much, tomatoes. Like, y'all don't have to do this for me. Y'all are so sweet. Oh my god, she got that Kiki hair. Braiding videos. What are you talking about? Braiding videos. We're gonna have some. Oh my god, I love her hair. Oh my god. So listen, this is her. We gotta name her. If you guys want to choose the name for her, put it down in the comment section. I want tomatoes to name her for real. So tomatoes, if you're watching this, name her for me, and that's gonna be her name. So, oh my god, look at her hair. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Trust me, I'm gonna take care of her so well. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I don't know what this means to me for real. Like, I'm gonna try so much harder to make these videos so much better for you guys. I promise, like, literally. Because I know I be leaving sometimes and coming back and everything, but you guys are making me like stay because like I suffer with depression and everything, and sometimes I just don't feel like uploading, and I get into a funk to where like I'm just overwhelmed, you know what I mean? Because I do have my grandson. My daughter is always sick and everything, and like I have my other kids that I have to tend to, and you know, they're having their kids and everything. So I have a ship to run, like a whole household. It's like 12 of us. So it's going to be even more. So yeah, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And you guys don't know what this is going to do for our channel, and we're just going to skyrocket from here, you guys. Like, all these videos are going to be put out, and thanks to you guys, like, I feel like my dreams are coming true to put up better, great content for you guys. My angles are going to be so much better on these videos, I promise y'all. And we're working on a ton of stuff on my end. So thank you guys so much. Yeah. Go in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.